And good morning, Sweet.
Morning, ganda. Good morning.
Good morning, Luis.
Good morning,
Partner,
girl.
how are you?
I'm fine, partner. Thank you for asking.
Si partner, siya pala yun. Yes, siya si partner na medyo kinikilig ng slide. Pag kinikilig, mas madaming tulong ang mayaambag. And of course, nandito ang ating UNICEF Ambassador, Gary Valenciano. Good
Hello,
morning to all of you.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay, ito yung ano kasi, I'm sure lahat kayo nakikita ninyo, bakit ang daming goods, bakit hindi pa natatransport. Take turns po talaga. Kasi yesterday, mahabang pagle-lecture at conversation ang meron kami ni Pinoy. At in-explain niya na at its fastest, a truck na niroro mo that goes through Sorsogon, from Sorsogon, diba, will land in Samar, and then it takes 48 hours. So, of course, yesterday sa news na panood natin that the aid is already arriving. Yung mga eroplano na pwedeng take turns sila sa pagland. And sa magandang, I think, the good fortune na nabigay because yesterday I was feeling desperate. Sabi ko, nakakahiya, natanggap tayo ng tanggap ng goods, hindi natin pa napapakita sa mga tao na umaabot sa kanila talaga, na personal natin dinadala. Ang dami kong mga naging kaibigan recently and ang AirAsia, which bought Zest, changed pala their fleet. And it's now jets because I was hoping na merong mas maliit para madala ka agad, like to Lucy to so they have jets. So they were so nice to me because I may commitment ako for Sunday with Sagit Kapamilya to bring 10 tons of these goods to Leyte. And they gave it to me na ang cost lang for me was the fuel charge. The charter cost of that. And yung and sinabi ko, kung hindi ka bubunot sa sarili mong bulsa at maghihintay ka pa, kawawa naman ang ating mga nangangailangan. So, ginawa ng paraan, and on Sunday, we will at least be able to bring 10 tons. Nag-i-insist ako na sana ako yung makasama together with Ma'am Tina, but of course, I have to wait for approval kung pwede talaga, kung makakadagdag ka lang ba sa gulo, kung wise decision to make, but I really want to be there with Ma'am Tina. And Angel told me that she is joining. Ba't ka natawa? Sinabi ko lang Angel.
Kasi may point of reference ka talaga sa akin.
Kinilig nga.
Ganun. Okay. Sinabi ko lang na si Angel Locsin sasamahan ako. And yung it's because kasi minsan nababasa ko din, ano ba yung mga artista, may tulong ba silang magagawa? Pang pa-effect lang yan. Sabi ko, alam nyo ho, nagdadala ka hindi lang yung goods, pero nagdadala ka ng reassurance at ng pag-asa at pagmamahal. Sa panahon na ngayon, yan talagang kailangan ng mga tao. And yun, di ba, we're seeing all the efforts here. Tuloy-tuloy talaga. Nakita nyo naman sa likod natin yung Gabon. It gives us great pleasure also and gratification to now accept even more. Ang ABS-CBN Center Road sa Mother Ignacia Street will be open starting 12 noon to accommodate all the other donations na binibigay.
Correct.
Ito nga yung sinasabi
Meron sa
natin.
parking.
Ito parang positive traffic. Ito yung traffic na hindi ka nagre-reklamo dahil nakikita nyo dahil sa haba-haba ng mga kotse, alam mong may magandang nangyayari.
Partner,
Yeah,
sa
partner.
Red Cross ka daw nag-ambag?
Yes.
Through Angel?
No, sarili ko
Okay.
naman. Sarili
No,
ko.
I mean, baka you gave it to Angel and you said, Jel, ikaw na bahala.
Hindi, sa akin naman. I
Wow,
work with
good.
the Rizal chapter.
Why, good for you.
Matulungin talaga yan. Ayun nga,
Yes.
kaya may advice na rin na po. Kanina narinig ko si Ma'am Tina at pati na rin ang MMDA na iwasan po ang Eugenio Lopez Drive kung maaari hanggang Mother Ignacia at hanggang sa dulo po ng Tomas Morato. Yun ay kung dadaan lang kayo. Pero syempre, sa mga gustong mag-volunteer at sa mga nagdadala ng relief goods, tuloy lang, magsiksikan tayo dito. Walang masama.
Gary?
Yes, Chris, I wanted to say na I think sa dami ng mga trahedya na pinagdaanan na natin lahat, ito yata yung pinakamaraming nakita kong contribution. There has been a lot for Ondoy and for other events, but this one, I think, is a reflection of the what they call the Filipino spirit.
Yung bayanihan.
Yung bayanihan spirit. And it's just incredible, mga kaibigan. Ngayon ko lang nakita ang lugar na to na ganitong karami until outside. May mga truck pa dun sa labas na hindi pa yata na ibababa yung mga kasi halos
And
hindi
you know, it's all over.
all over.
Ang friend ko kasi, kasama siya nung Anwaray na group. And di ba ang daming waray talaga. So they came together. Sa kanila naman, pinahiram sa kanila yung sa Philippine Army. It's near Serendra. 100,000 relief goods. Packs na ang naaano nila. And yun naman sila, they got barges. Yun na yung hinire nila para madiretso. And then, nakita natin kagabi sa TV Patrol, di ba yung sa DSWD? Sweet yung mga Philippine rugby, nagbubuhat.
Correct, may mga foreigners, may organization, mga
May
British
mga
wives.
Australiano,
Oo.
mga Briton, lahat. They're here. And so,
Nakaka-proud.
now I'll start accepting on behalf nga of Sagip Kapamilya, and I thank them for wanting to do this on Chris TV because parang paulit-ulit ko sinasabi na that means meron silang tiwala sa programang ito. So, ang JAG is here right now with the Binibining Pilipinas Beauty Queens led by Miss Universe 2013 third runner-up, Ariel Arida. You're back. Hi,
Ayan na.
Ariela.
Ayan yung mga barkada ko. Hi, mga sisters.
Kasama natin si Pia, si Cindy, at si Mutya. Girls, okay? Nung papasok ako kanina bago mag 7 o'clock, nakita ko na yung mga truck ng JAG. Ano yung napakabonggang dala ng JAG? Yes, Ariela.
Yes po, yung JAG is donating 20,000 as sort. It's worth more or less 8 million pesos.
20,000 pieces, di ba? Of bags, not bags, jeans,
yeah.
shirts, shorts, and pati JAG kids. Kasi syempre yung mga bata,
Maraming batang naapektuhan.
everything na wipe out sila, di ba? Wala na silang gamit. So, can you show
Ayan na.
us?
Ayan,
Kasi
akin na.
I keep
Siyempre, official
saying na,
model.
kung pwede natin ipakita kung ano yung mga gamit na pinadala
Para
for
alam
the
nila.
simple reason na gusto natin makita na ang mga nagpapadala bago, magaganda in fashion ang mga pinapadala.
Ang cute ng para sa
Uy,
kids.
it's you pala!
cute.
Kuya,
For
hi.
kids.
Oo.
For the kids.
Oh, para sa mga kabataan. Sweet, sorry, yan ang ano.
Ayan na,
Ako
sorry.
nang
Sensya.
pakitanggal yung
Hi, Direk.
supot.
Ang laki ko, ang laki
Hi,
ko.
Direk.
Direct Rizzy, that's my other ambition in life to direct. Sorry, Direct. Ang dami kong ambition. Okay, and then...
Kahapon, gusto palitan si Ma'am Charo. Ngayon, si Direk na, ha?
Hindi, at si Direct din. Yung buo, ako na lang.
Might as well.
One woman show, lahat. Okay. Yan na, and ito na, ay, ang ganda ng shorts.
Ba?
My God, with belt.
Oh,
Paandar.
Abangan nyo na, ha? Naka-job kayong lahat. Ayan, yung mga kababayan natin na nasalanta ni Yolanda.
Yes, thank you. At ito na si Luis na sinasalo ko dahil animo malalaglag ako. Yes. Merong short, sweet. Thank you, Jag. I mean, ang ganda ng pinadala, right? Gary, agree with
That's
me?
right. Yeah.
Na beautiful things. To the C family of Jag Jeans, maraming salamat. Tama ba ako na ang Jag at ang Lee magkapamilya? Hindi.
Opo.
Yes, see? In
Oh.
fairness sa akin. At meron pang isa. Yung parati sinusuot ni Ted Filon.
Bondat.
Von Dutch.
Talaga?
Di ba kapamilya nyo rin yun?
Bongga.
And tama ba kung ang Seattle's Best ay kapamilya nyo? And Kenny Rogers.
Wow.
Mabuhay ang C family.
Ang masasabi na lang sa
Let's
si family.
be friends,
Oo.
ah.
God bless your company.
Oo, in fairness sa akin, alam ko yung group of companies niyo, maging close tayo. Alam nyo na. Okay. Bakit? And thank you for entrusting this.
May
Ay, pati
jacket. Ganda. Alam mo na. Pa-under tong jack. Ayaw patalo.
Gusto ko yung jacket.
Ang gaganda.
Oh,
Thank
tayo wala
you.
nito, girls, ha?
Hindi, pang lalaki at pang bata ang mga dinala ninyo at yan ang pinapakita natin. Mabuhay kayo, Jag. Ang gaganda nyo. And in fairness, meron akong jeans ninyo because may nakitaan ako na yung skinny jeans suot. Ang ganda ng fit. Tapos yung hindi na lawlaw. Hindi na kasi di ba yung iba, pag nag-stretch, parang nalalaglag-laglag na. Yung inyo
Nagiging hip-hop
maganda.
ka ng hindi oras.
What?
Nagiging hip-hop
Hindi,
ka
tsaka
ng hindi
tinitingnan ko
oras.
ang mga bruha.
Ito yun, di ba?
Ganda.
Yes,
Ito yun. Yan ang meron ako. I have
Pagsuot-
this. Sa likod. Yan, meron ako
Pagsuot ng mga
yan.
bruha yung jack, parang humahaba yung
Na,
legs.
of course, binili ko sa SM. Klaruhin natin
And
yan.
also the shirt.
Okay.
Also the shirts, yeah.
Ganda. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Jag.
Thank you
Mabuhay
very
kayo.
much.
Asahan ninyo na, kasi, syempre, inuuna natin the food. So, in the next few
Oo naman.
days, yung damit ang susunod talaga. Thank you for this because at least, di ba, may dignidad ang mga survivors.
Tama.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, mga
Yes,
sisters.
may add,
Yes, Ariela.
JAG is also with partnership dun sa fundraising ng mga shirts like that po. And
Ay, ang Jag may ganito
yeah.
din.
So, you
Okay.
can also buy sa mga JAG boutiques nung shirt.
So, ang Jag din pala partnered with this tulong na tabang na tayo na
Yes,
of
po.
ABS-CBN
So
sa Gift Ka
makakabili din
Pamilya.
sa mga Jack Branchett
Oo.
nationwide.
Mabuhay kayo. Thank you.
Thank
you very much, ladies.
Yes,
Okay.
sister.
Salamat
magsimula
sa
na kayo.
pagdalaw sa akin. Thank you
Sige
very
na,
much.
magpapakpasil ng relief goods.
Okay,
Wait,
Wala na
sandali.
kayo.
Sweet excuse.
Thank you po.
Pakuha ko ngayon.
Thank you.
Kasama naman natin ngayon, sweet na huluging isa,
I'm sorry.
ang aking mga kapamilya from Boardwalk. Nandito si Eric, the Network Support Manager of Boardwalk. At ang pasabog naman ng Boardwalk na dala. Hi, Eric.
Good morning, Ma'am Chris.
Dala
Good
nila
morning, sir.
ay 2,000 packs of clothes and footwear.
Wow.
Can I show what is inside? Okay.
Luis, ikaw naman ang Vanna White.
Dalawang apparel, 2 pairs of shoes, and 4 pieces of underwear. Panty pa ang unang nakuha ni Luis. Why not?
Tadhana nga naman.
Yes. Oh, hindi, pero 'di ba? Kailangan talaga eh.
Of course.
Because Ma'am Tina kept repeating na wala talagang natirang mga underwear. Kailangan talaga yung mga pwedeng pahawak ko sa inyo. So, what
Here's a shirt.
It's a, explain again, ano yung dala ninyo?
Ang dala-dala po namin is relief pack.
Yes.
2 truckloads po ito. Basic apparels, footwear, and meron po tayong undergarments.
And undergarments. And 2 pairs of shoes. And by apparel, you mean t-shirt at pambaba?
Yes, pambaba. Kasama na po yun.
Importante at bago, paalala lang ha, hindi mo dinodonate ang gamit ng underwear. Ayan.
Yes, and the important thing also is Boardwalk has generously donated 3 million pesos worth
Tama po
of
yan.
goods.
Alam mo,
Mabuhay
mabuhay
kayo.
po kayo.
It's
It'll come
always,
back to
No,
you.
and you've been consistent.
Yes.
Nag-meet nga tayo dahil sa Ondoy.
Yes. And after
We-
that, year
Oo.
by year, wala nang
5
tigil.
years na tayong magkakasama.
Tama.
Maraming salamat sa kabutihan nyo. Pero ito ngayon, kasi kailangan natin sila. Kagabi nung ini-explain ni Pinoy sa akin, sabi niya na 1.4 million people will have to be fed on a daily basis because 1.4 million of them ang in the next year walang nakikitaan na pwedeng pagkunan ng kikitain. So dahil ang advocacy ng Boardwalk talaga is entrepreneurship.
Uplift lives, Chris.
Yes.
And again, it's been both an honor and a privilege to be working with Sagip Kapamilya and be part of something significant. Alam nyo, nakikita ko ito not as a relief good, but as hope. Pag-asa po sa ating mga kababayan sa Visayas.
Tama, Eric. Iyan talaga, na lahat tayo nakakapagbigay pag-asa. Mabuhay ang Boardwalk.
Salamat, salamat.
And
Thank you
thank
very
you
much
dahil
sa Boardwalk.
madali na. Kasi yung
Nakapack
dami,
na.
nakapack na.
Andun na pati footwear.
Para pag nagdala ka ng pagkain,
Mas
kasabay
madaling
niyan,
i-distribute na rin.
dala mo na, meron ng damit. Thank you.
Boardwalk, God
Our
bless
pleasure.
your
Very much,
company.
Thank you once again, Sir Gary.
Yes, kay
God bless you guys.
Miss
Thank you.
Imelda, thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Ngayon naman, ako, oh my God, hawak-hawak pa yung favorite drink ni Josh. That's my son's favorite drink, the coconut water. And you know why I love them? Because they export that all over the world and they support coconut farmers here in the Philippines. Ang mga representatives po, the CEO
Lang naman.
of Pepsi, si Mr. Yoon Seok No, and their president, Mr. Partho Chakrabarti. Tama? Did I say it correctly? Partho, my new friend.
Good
Hi,
morning.
Partho.
Tama rin ang
At
VP.
nandito ang Vice President for Corporate Affairs, si Chika Dalupian. Okay. Mr. Partho, what did you bring for on behalf of Pepsi for the Filipino people? Ma'am Tina, pumunta ka na dito.
May segue.
Oo,
busy,
at nanggaling siya kay
mo.
Ted Filon, dumaan siya kay Karen, but
Correct.
on behalf of Ma'am Tina, ako na yung tatanggap. Yes, Mr. No.
I'm bringing 2 million peso check.
Grabe.
2
2 million pesos.
Okay lang nabuksan ko sorry. To show all of them from Pepsi Cola Products, Philippines Incorporated for ABS-CBN Foundation, Sagip Ka Pamilya, 2 million pesos. Mabuhay kayo, Pepsi. And that's not all. Ito yung Luis, ikaw na, nasa iyo.
Yup.
Ikaw maghahawak. Si Minute to Win It muna ang hahawak. This is the sobrang bonggang dala nyo rin. And this is part of it, right? Partho, what? You brought? Gano'ng kadami?
We actually brought 1,000 cases of Tropicana
Wow.
Coco Quench.
Ay, ito talaga mismo ang dala nyo?
Yes, yes.
Ito!
Ito pa rin.
Yan
Ano?
is-
Ni
yan-
Josh! That's why, wala naman ako beverage endorsement kaya Dedma. We always have this at home because my son lost 120 pounds over 1 year. And part of what helped him to lose weight was that instead of taking an energy drink after the vigorous workout, it was coconut water. And it was this in particular.
Correct.
So, dahil napaka-generous
Kanila pala
ninyo
yan,
na dala-dala nila at sosyala, Tropicana Coco Quench talaga dahil kailangan to, dahil bagsak ang electrolytes. Right?
That's true, Chris.
Ng lahat ng mga tao, maraming nadidehydrate. By 1,000 cases, ilang pieces yon? How many pieces?
About 24,000.
24,000 pieces of this ang maibabahagi ng Sagip Kapamilya. This is worth 700,000 pesos. Tropicana and Pepsi, mabuhay kayo. Thank you for loving the Philippines. You're obviously not Filipino. Where are you from?
I'm Indian, but I've been here 7 years, so I'm not Filipino.
Now you're Filipino.
I'm Filipino.
Where are you from, Mr.
kausapin mo
No?
yan.
From Korea.
I
I've
love
been here.
Korea so much.
Thank you so
Because
much.
Korea, Samsung helps so
Correct.
much. Ay naku,
Korea,
you have
please
big
adopt me.
hearts. We love Koreans and so many Koreans love the Philippines. So
Maraming salamat.
let's be together in this. God bless you. Lika, lapit ka
Yeah,
dito,
actually,
na.
Chris, both our Korean and U.S. principals have donated over $1 million to the international aid organizations for the Yolanda
Ay, naku,
survivors. So,
mabuhay
over and
kayo.
above our local donations, internationally, over $1 million, both from PepsiCo and Lotte.
Did you know na ang Pepsi kasi, sila yung Frito-Lay din. Yung Doritos naman na favorite ni Bimbi, na, yun lang ang kinakain araw-araw.
Yung lote pala kanila.
The Lotte is the Korean brand.
Correct.
The Korean brand owns Pepsi here. Tama ba? Lotte.
They're a major shareholder.
Yeah. Ay, taray ng mga Lotte. I wanna friend them.
Di ba nagpunta
Ang dami ko ng mga
Nagpunta
pinafriend.
tayo sa Lotte World.
I went to Lotte, yes, when we
Yeah.
went to Korea. Thank you again, Pepsi. Mabuhay kayo. God bless
It's
your
a pleasure.
company.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God bless you guys.
I know that this is known as for our TFC viewers, this is known as a different brand in the States. What's the Pepsi brand?
ONE. ONE.
ONE.
One
And right?
natural entitlement, yes.
And it comes from the
It
Philippines.
comes from the Philippines.
O yung mga nanonood sa atin sa TFC, kung bibili rin lang naman kayo ng coconut water,
Yun ang ONE.
ONE dahil Pinoy farmers at
Ang pwedeng
kailangan natin
suportahan nun.
talaga, yes. Mabuhay kayo. Thank you, ONE, Tropicana. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you,
God
Chris.
bless
for
you.
Thank you
having
very
us
much.
here. Salamat.
Buhay.
Bye-bye.
So, Miss Chris, ayan,
Let's
Miss-
keep in
ayan
touch.
na.
Oh my, okay.
Nasa'yo na.
I am trustworthy. Sa laki ng tax na binayad ko, syempre, alam niyo,
Correct.
mapagkakatiwalaan ako at hindi ko to ibubulsa. So, Ma'am Tina, halika na. Bye! Bye, Pepsi!
Baka daw, Pepsi.
Mr. Partho, let's call each other.
Mga
ah.
Lord of the Rings talaga ang
Oo.
pinadala. ha? In
Okay, let's,
fairness.
ba't ka natatawa, Bong Osorio, sa akin? Anong masama na maging friends kami?
Oo nga naman, Sir
If you're
Bong.
married, I'll friend your wife also so she doesn't get mad. Okay. Let's go. Bakit? Para na lang sure, di ba? Nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanilang lahat. Ngayon, ituloy na natin. Hindi sila nagpahuli. Ang pamilya ko from PhilInvest ay nandito. Nandito si Cecile at si Emilia. Come here. Hi.
Naku, ano ba under nito?
Our
mga
marketing
ito?
head and deputy managing director.
Hi, Cecile. How are you?
Good morning, ladies.
Oo, okay. Hindi kayo nagpahuli dahil handa na, di ba? Each bag.
Yeah, we
Okay,
already
they
have.
packed it already. Each bag contains... here, can Luis, ikaw please ha. Pakita mo kung anong nasa loob. Each bag contains 2 kilos of rice,
May dilata.
6 pieces of noodles, 12 canned goods, sachet of coffee with biscuits, and 1 bottle of 500 ml of water. So in other words, handang-handa ka. Kasi the fact na meron
And
siya...
may bigas pa dito sa loob, sa ilalim.
And may bigas. Okay. This pack, di ba, you brought with you 1,000 bags of these.
Wow.
Handa na.
At nasa recycle...
Mabigat-bigat to, madaming laman to.
Recycle-
Kasi ito may 2 kilos eh.
Bongga.
At may ulam ka na, may
May kape
kape ka
pa,
pa. Pakita na natin lahat para alam
Lahat
nila
na,
kung ano
okay.
yung nasa laba.
Oo.
Oh, taray, di ba? May sardinas para hindi kayo maboard sa kinakain ninyo. Iba-iba yung
Correct.
May
Diba?
bigas.
May maganda yon. Everyday, iba-ibang relief packs yung kinakain
Tapos may-
ninyo.
Bigas pa, oh.
Ulam. Ulam Express, yan,
Ano pa?
ready. Ay, ang dami. Taray,
Wow.
okay. Ayaw maubusan yung bag.
Ang bongga
Go.
ng PhilInvest, baka may lupa dyan. Kondo,
Ayan na.
meron ba
There.
nyo?
And the bigas and the ano. So it's here. Here you go. It's all there.
Wow.
It's ready. So, tama naman nga talaga. Kasi ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong madali. Kasi sachet lang.
Yes.
Bubuksan mo lang, makakain nyo na. And you brought 1,000 of these. Thank you. Thank you for trusting us with this. What is this?
Okay. Actually, Chris, this is only from PhilInvest International sales team. So
International!
International pa lang.
Oo,
So we
taray.
are asking donations from PhilInvestors. These are Filipino investors all over the world. And actually, the company itself, PhilInvest, is donating 8,000 baht, but they are in Cebu.
Yes, because kwento ng ate ko, di ba yung mga Gutianon talagang taga Cebu?
Yeah.
Yun yung hub ninyo talaga. At mas madali from Cebu kasi pwede mo talaga isakay sa ferry, idediretso mo to Tacloban and to Ormoc, right? So,
Yes.
8,000 ang nandun.
Yes.
And I'm sure dahil naman real estate ang inyo, I'm sure aakuin nyo rin yung pagtulong sa pagre-rebuild ng mga bahay.
Hopefully.
Normally, you do that eh. You've done that
For
a
sure
lot,
yan, di ba
diba?
gumagawa sila ng mga village? Parang
Oo,
gano'n.
I'm sure tutulong kayo doon. Pero ito, kaisa ako sa pag-ahon ng bayan dahil PhilInvestor ako, mabuhay kayo. So this is 1,000 but there are 8,000 pieces of these in Cebu already.
Cebu na.
We're just gathering more.
Thank you.
We're still asking donations in PhilInvestors all over the world.
Ay, thank you so much. Thank you. Mabuhay ang PhilInvest.
PhilInvest, God bless your company.
Of course.
Salamat.
Thanks, ha.
Maraming salamat, PhilInvest.
Bye. Okay, and then now we are moving on. Okay, ang representative po ng Hawk Bags ay si Aki Ortiz. Hello, Aki. To make life easier, because when you've lost all your possessions, di ba? Explain it to me, Aki. Bakit ito yung dinala ninyo?
Yeah, basically, di ba, nawalan sila ng house. So, yung mga personal things nila, pwede nilang matago dito.
Kahit paano
Yung mga
muna.
na-save, yeah.
Kung ano yung na-save. So, kung ano yung meron kayo sa warehouse, ang binalita sa akin, dinala nyo na.
Yeah, opo.
So, you brought us almost 600 pieces of these backpacks. Luis, tinan mo, ang laki ng backpack.
Yeah, ang
At
dami
marami
talagang
kang
mailalagay dito.
malalagay.
Lahat, pwede mo lagay na
Actually,
dyan.
you know, it's not that eh. What makes this really, really, a good idea is because ang dami na nakikita natin sa news na nakapila, Gary.
I was about to say
In
that.
order na makalikas either to move to Cebu or
Yes.
to be brought here to Luzon by their family. So at least may tulong para sa pag-i-empake ng gamit nila. And I think you also brought a check.
Yeah, instead of mag-Christmas party kami, ito-donate na lang namin.
Ay, mabuhay kayo. Thank you.
Grabe
Ang
naman
daming
yun.
nakaisip nun. Dalawa na po yung hawak ko. Ma'am Tina, halika na.
Grabe yung...
No, in fact, di ba, nangyayari pag December, nagiging swerte ang isang host dahil sa dinami-rami ng Christmas party na hino-host niya. Pag eksakto, pag medyo December to January. At eksakto, for this year, ang dami nangyayari na nagka-cancel for a good reason. Dahil all the funds that they would rather give sa isang Christmas party, mas kinocommit nila sa pagtulong.
So
sa
tayo mga
pinakamahirap.
host at ng Christmas party, mababawasan ang racket natin.
Pero okay lang.
Okay lang po
Mas
yun.
mapupunta naman sa tama.
Grabe yung kinakancel yung Christmas
You know, Chris,
party.
Tete, ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Overwhelm ako talaga.
Chris, I'd like to say something about the bags, no? Because I think also a lot of people, pag pinapanood nila yung mga the victims in Tacloban or in other places there, ang dami nilang bitbit na there's no
Yes.
place to put it. So imagine you go from one place to the next,
Dala-dala lahat yun.
dala-dala lahat yun.
Yes, and
So I think
remember
it's a
na
great move.
naglalakad sila.
Naglalakad sila.
So thank you for this. Thank you for entrusting it with us. And magandang quality ah.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba, and madali bang bitbitin? Kasi kung ako ang magbibitbit paano ba to?
Backpack yan ganda.
Hindi ko nga ma-figure out yung backpack. Hindi siya backpack suite eh. Walang ano.
This one is a 2-in-1
Two-in-one.
convertible bag. So, sling bag siya and gym bag at the same
Pasay.
Oy.
Sling.
Pwede sa
Basta
harap.
ganun. O,
Pwede
yan.
the other way around.
Kasi gusto mo nasa harap, di ba? Para nakikita mo yung possessions
At kung
mo.
araw-araw
Yes.
ka kukuha ng relief goods, perfect yan. Oh. Ayan,
Oh,
lalagay
dyan
mo
na rin
dyan.
Alam
Lagay.
mo, merong magandang nasabi si Ted Filon na because nga sa hirap pumunta doon sa mga areas, sana good for 3 days na yung pag-distribute nung relief, di ba? Sana the pack is good for 3 days.
Kasha ang 3
Para hindi
days
naman
na relief
mabalik-balik.
goods dyan sa bag na yan.
Exactly.
Salamat,
Yes.
Hawkbags.
Thank you sa inyo. Thank you
God
for
bless your
coming here.
company.
Yes.
Thank you, Hawkbags.
And now, ito, yesterday, nag-show ako, tapos it just so happened, thank you, Luis, for being afraid for me. Thank you. Okay, kasi yung, nagpapasalamat ako to other people. It just so happened that the ad agency that takes care of Bimbi's endorsement for Mr. Donut, they were watching. And sila rin pala ang ad agency ng Sistema. That was when I was telling Angel na kailangan,
Mga toothpaste
kasi
and
kumpleto
toothbrush.
tayo sa sabon, sa shampoo, at sa panlaba at panlinis. Wala pa tayong kumpletong supplies for toothbrushes and toothpaste. And Right, Gary? Oral hygiene is really so important. So, arriving right now from Sistema, he's back. Kung sa Samsung nandito siya, ngayon nandito siya for
Yes.
Sistema. Sam Milby together with, hello Norman.
Hello.
Norman who is the brand manager.
Yes, and he was just
Ay,
making
how
kwento that, yun,
nice. O,
yung
lika,
sinabi
come
nyo.
explain. Ano, Norman? Ano yung dala mo? Ito yung toothpaste.
We're giving away toothpaste, like what Chris said yesterday. Actually, our president saw you on TV.
Oh, he watches
And
me.
he made it.
Your president, di ba, is the president also of Champion?
Yes, he is.
And the one, and the kahit Downy ako, the fabric softener of Juday, di ba?
Yes,
What's
yes.
it called? Okay
It's
lang.
Champion as well.
Ayun, yun.
Yeah.
They're very nice.
Thank
Kasi
you.
their daughter-in-law, di ba, is the daughter, tama ba ako? Or their son-in-law? Sino sa kanila yung married to a Chan?
The son is
They're-
very good.
So, a Chan, the relatives of Ben.
Okay.
Kaya parang magkakamag-anak sila. So, they're so matulungin kasi kahapon ang dami-dami kong champion na nakita. So anyway, nakita nila ako.
Ay, ano yan?
Pinapanood ako ng president nyo. Thank you. We can be
Yes.
close. Ay, ito na yung toothbrushes.
Kompleto na.
Ay, complete. Ay, ang ganda naman.
That's gonna be
Ilan ang
5
dala ninyo?
10-wheeler truckloads.
Wow.
5 10-wheeler truckloads.
Yes.
2 million pesos worth
Hala?
of toothbrushes and toothpaste from Sistema. I'll buy.
Grabe naman.
Bait
Thank you.
ninyo.
No, thank you for having us.
Ay.
Thank you very much.
Ay,
God
natouch
bless
ako
you guys.
doon.
At saka sa ilang po ang laman ng isang ganyan, isang box, ilang laman ng toothbrush.
Uy, my God, ang taray galing Japan.
Isang box galing
Hindi
Japan.
ito. It's all from Japan.
I know.
Lion is Japan's #1 oral care company. So, this is Japan. And then you're just bringing it in here.
Yes, we
Tama?
imported.
Ay, taray.
Pag ganyan
Japan.
matibay,
Ay,
para yung mga false eyelashes natin, di ba?
Hindi, sorry kung may mentality ako, pero di ba pag alam mo Japan, di ba, we just came from there, Luis. We
Iba
love
rin naman talaga
Japan.
ang gawa nila.
Oh,
Pero
ito.
pwedeng labanan ng gawa ng Pinoy.
Matibay yan. Lahat ng tartar nyo sa event tanggal.
Hindi, ang sweet ninyo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Tell
Thank
your
you,
present thank you. I'll
Yes.
get in touch because I think they're good friends with Tita Susan Rosas, di ba? So we can
And Miss Chris, alam mo ba si Sam, nandito siya ngayong umaga, pero wala pang tulog, galing shooting pa talaga. Para sa sistema.
What's your shooting?
Kimidora 3.
Oh,
Actually, can I take this time? I just happen to see my
Go
season
ahead.
1 housemates here.
Si Nene.
Kuya Bob, si Chicks, and Commander Nene.
Correct.
Nagulat ako.
Sino yung mga nandito?
Yes, so dito
Kaya
ako
no-
nag-start actually. So
Knowing
parang,
Sam, tutulong pa yan mamaya sa
Yeah.
pag-pack.
Hi to Uge and Direct Chris.
I will.
Yeah,
I will.
good luck to all of us. Thanks, Sam.
Thank you,
See,
Sam.
He's a good
And thank you to
endorser,
Sistema
ah.
also.
Appear siya talaga, deadma, kahit walang tulog, ah. At tinan mo naman yung ngipin.
Oo. Sistema
Oo.
talaga.
Why?
Sistema,
Okay.
God bless your company.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you guys.
Thanks, Sam.
See you, bro.
Next, ito ngayon ang ating sa pagpapatuloy natin. Kahapon, hinanap nila ako through sila Darla, di ba? Thank you for trusting me. Wait, saan yung mga cheque? Uy, nasa-stress ako. Hawakan mo muna yan. Baka mawala, Luis. And si Gary na lang.
Si Gary na lang.
Si UNICEF ang tagahawak.
Bakit ako? Hindi ko pa pwedeng hawakan
No,
to?
maturity.
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 Kaya ko yan. Kaya ko yan.
Maturity.
Correct.
Palaguin ko pa yan.
Ako naman, aminado ako,
Maturity.
malikot ang kamay ko.
Kaya
So,
maturity,
di pa ako
dito
magaling.
na tayo.
So, si Gary
Okay.
din
Tawagin na
Insecurity.
natin si Miss Iye. Did I pronounce it correct? Aye.
Ay,
I'm sorry? Lai. Mali yung name. Sorry
Ay,
ah.
sorry
Tao lang
po.
sila. Anyway, Miss Hanson. Para mas clear. Hi, Miss Hanson of the Eurotel and Hotel Sogo Group. Okay, this is really nice. Kasi lahat walang matulugan. Walang bedding. So, ang dala nila, 2,000 bed linens, 3,000 pillowcases, and
Ay,
2,000 towels from the Eurotel and Sogo Group. Thank you. Can I see kung ano yung dinala ninyo? Luis, please. Yung mga sheets and towels. Siyempre, ang dami yung mga rooms. Ang dami nito. Oh. Ay, the bed sheets. Ready. Handang-handa talaga.
Meron siyang
Tapos may lagay silang biscuits para handa. Each, may t-shirt, may chinelas. Pero
That's a
din sila
personal
ng
care
personal hygiene. Oh, thank
And
you so
t-shirts.
much. Saan yun? At metwalya. Ang galing nung naisip ninyong to kasi that's so needed and so necessary
Kasi iba
talaga.
natutulog na sa bangketa or minsan sa mga sako-sako
Sa
lang or
asphalt na.
karton. Ang bongga Basogo, ha?
Hindi, dignidad para sa bawat survivor. Thank you for this. Thank you, Eurotel. And thank you, Sogo, for entrusting this with us. it will go a long way talaga in helping rebuild lives. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Mabuhay ang Sogo. God bless
bless
your
you
company.
guys.
Mga bakla, alam nyo na, Sogo. Oh.
Okay. Oh, nandito rin. Thank you. Nandito rin. Okay, nandito yung representative pero they choose not to appear on TV but Dole Philippines has sent us 200 cases of their fruit bowls.
Ano yung kahapon na sinabi natin?
Oo,
na mas
maraming
magkasarap-sarap.
salamat. Can I silang a sample of the fruit bowl
Ayun.
para at least kasi yan yung nakikita natin, 'di ba, sa mga supermarket. So madaling kainin. Nandyan yung so Dole, thank you also for entrusting us with this. Ilang cases again ito? 200 cases. Okay, at si Sistema ngayon, as we speak, tuloy-tuloy ang pagpasok ng goods. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you very much, Dole. Because, di ba, Gary, yung talaga, importante din naman kasi na merong vitamins na mabibigay ngayon. So, ito na yon. Kakaabot lang from, sila yung gumagawa ng mga Jasponica and yung mga Filipino rice talaga that we see, the brown rice and all.
Yes.
They
Yan ang
are now
kinakain ko.
coming
That's what I
in.
take.
Ito si Michelle Lim Ganki, my friend Michelle, with 120 sacks of rice.
Wow, 120.
Hello, Michelle.
120 of the 50 kilogram sacks, right, Michelle?
Ma-healthy pa yan na rice.
Si Michelle also, kanila din actually yung Sterling. Yung mga notebooks,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So Michelle, ang dala mo ngayon, yung naka-individualize na ba yun or sako-sako?
Ngayon kasi naka-big
okay.
sacks kasi mamadali rin kami
Sorry, yes. I appreciate naman the tulong. Nag-utos pa ako na i-divide na. Pero, yun. So, ilan yun? Kung 50 kilos
Actually,
and 120, so
it's,
ilan
six-
yun? 600.
6,000.
More or less 600.
Ay,
No, 6,000.
6,000.
120.
6,000 kilos of rice. So, kung 2 kilos per person, 3,000 relief packs ang malalagyan ng bigas na yon.
Yes, actually, we are also donating to different organizations then. So it's
Isa
like,
lang to. This is just a
Yes, it's
portion
just
of the
one.
donation.
And actually, before the earthquake and before the Yolanda, di ba there was Bagyong Santi?
Yes.
At natamaan kami actually 2,000 hectares of our rice land. So we lost 55 million pesos. But in spite of that, what we have left, we still want to donate and to help the
Because,
typhoon
di ba,
victims.
Gary, nababasa ko yun sa Biblia na when you give without counting the cost, si God is the one doing the tally. Thank you, Michelle. Mabuhay ang
welcome.
daddy mo. Thank you for this. Thank you for entrusting this to us. Kasi malaking bagay yun. 3,000 packs yun. Na
God bless
nangyayari.
your company, Michelle.
Okay, so
Thank you very much.
just to tally po sa inyo, in the interest of transparency, hindi ho ito dahil nagyayabang kami, but the donations we have received for Sagip Ka Pamilya through the program Chris TV from Tuesday to Thursday in cash and in kind amounted to 35,458,149. And today, Gary is still holding the checks. We're waiting for Ma'am Tina. And the additional goods and cash that we received was an additional 17,645,000 for a grand total from Monday to Friday po on this program from the 8, kasi binigyan nyo kami ng 2 hours sa slot, so that's from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. 53,103,149 pesos po ang naibigay ng ating mga napakabait na mga personal and corporate sponsors who trusted the show Chris TV. And I guess yun ang when people ask why do you talk about it and all, si Sistema President was watching us. And obviously,
Napanood lang.
obviously si Pepsi, siguro yung mga higher up sa management nila nanonood sa atin.
Si Samsung,
Si
di ba?
Samsung
Text
was
lang
also
while
watching us. So there is a purpose for this. There is a purpose for you to be seeing this telethon because it inspires those with the ability to share, to really share and to come out. And hello, that's no joke ha. Yung mga CEO at presidente bumangon ng ganong kaaga para iabot sa atin ng personal.
Tama.
Thank you na pinapanood niyo po ako. Thank you sa pagpanood ng programang Chris TV at sa pagtiwala ninyo sa amin
So
na
that means
makakaabot talaga ito.
No matter what, sa lahat na nangyayari, kaya sobrang tiwala sa iyo, you're doing something right every day. Kaya nakakapagbigay tulong ka pa
Thank you, Luis.
sa mga Pilipino.
Love you.
Chris, you know what I think the show is also doing is that, siyempre naririnig natin na ang very first and important needs that they have, that they need are the water and the food. and shelter to stay in. But I think because of this show, nabibigyan ng bagong ideas yung iba't ibang tao that if you think there are things that will add comfort, will add a little help to our fellow Filipinos down south, I think this is
That
the show.
bag, di ba?
Yeah, the bags.
The bag, talaga.
Diba?
Totoo yun. Hindi natin naisip yun. Naisip
Oo.
nila na sarili mo, tangay mo, yung konting na iligtas mo ang tangay mo, pahihirapan ka ba na bibit-bitin mo pa yon?
Solar lamp kahapon.
Tama.
Na may cellphone charger. Ang bongga nun.
And alam mo, Ms. Chris, Sir Gary and I were talking about it earlier. Nakita natin na nagsasama hindi lang mga Pilipino, kundi ang buong mundo para sa mga biktima ng Yolanda. Sana nakita natin na it is possible na magsama-sama ang buong mundo. Sana mangyari to under a different circumstance din naman. Sana kahit walang kalamidad, walang pangyayari, magsama-sama ang bawat bansa. For example, pwedeng magtayo ng mga eskwelahan, ng mga hospital sa kahit anong bansa pa. So kaya naman talaga. So nakikita natin, it's very innate sa bawat tao na tumulong talaga sa kapwa.
No, and I think also, this is a showcase of people doing good. Na merong mga, kasi diba, mahirap din naman na ang parating napapanood mo, kakulangan nito, kawalan nito, kabagalan nito. Maganda rin naman talaga na nakikita mo na, uy, ito yung mga tao, binigay ang oras nila para mag-volunteer, binigay ang pondo nila para matulungan ito, nagbibigay ka ng pag-asa.
You know, and also, lagi nilang sinasabi na the Philippines is a third world nation. But this is beyond the first world kind of response to such a tragedy as a typhoon, like the strongest that the planet has ever seen. This is incredible, folks, and this is just one, of so many different people that are trying to help.
And yung sinabi kanina, Gary, di ba, ni Michelle, na they lost 55 million
Correct.
dun sa bagyo dahil
Yet
yung
they still gave
and
so
still-
much.
And yet, nandito sila ngayon. So, okay, when we come back, let's, blessed naman tayo dahil si Gary kakantahan tayo. So, para habang nagpapak kayo dyan, habang nagbubuhat tayo dyan, makinig tayo kay Gary. And then, yung di ba? And yun, kukulitin ko na si Ma'am Tina. Ma'am Tina,
Kaya nga, Ma'am Tina, pumunta na po kayo rito. Ang dami nagtitweet sa akin. Akala ako po si Tina Monson Palma. Si John Lapos po ito. Tanggalin ko nga muna. Ma'am Tina, please punta na po kayo dito.
magbabalik po ang Chris TV.
Ano
Oo.
yung mga tiga-Pepsi sa ANC?
They're nice.
I
They're
met
very
them, the country
nice.
manager and the president. And
Para lang for Ma'am Tina's kasi kanina in-announce natin na it was for this entire week here on this program, Chris TV, ang na-collect natin for Sagip Ka Pamilya, ang actual total nito, total na please, total. Can I have the total? Yes. For the entire week that we were doing this, here that they coursed through Chris TV for Sagip Ka Pamilya was 53,103,149 in money and goods.
yes.
Wow, in
So,
4
Ma'am Tina,
days.
talaga, solid ang samahan nating dalawa. Go tayo dyan sa tulungan na to.
Thank
This is
you.
it. Yung and siguro yung we now have to, diba, do the difficult task of making sure it reaches the
Yes,
people.
yes. And I think your efforts at trying to put together a team with the support of the airline company. Can I mention it
Let's
already?
mention Air
Mention
Asia.
it, Air Asia.
I love
okay.
you, Air Asia.
Mabuhay.
Thank you. Kasi fuel cost lang ang siningil nyo sa akin. Salamat.
Okay,
Yung
so we're loading that with goods as well. We're
10
preparing
tons.
10 tons. And we will bring it to the airport.
and we will bring it ourselves.
And then we will have, before you announce it, I need to make
I'm not announcing.
arrangements. Okay.
Promise.
Okay,
Pwede
promise.
kaya na parang would it be too much to ask, for example, for certain airline companies, na for example, one flight a day, gagawin nilang libre lahat?
Meron
In and
silang
out of
ganon.
Tacloban.
Meron
ba kayo,
silang
Miss Tina?
ganon sa kanilang cargo. In fact, Palo Express does that, Tiger Air does that, and many
They
other
all do,
airlines.
Luis. Ang
no?
Meron
problema
na rin
kasi
ngayon.
talaga is that you have to be an ABS-CBN foundation as a Give Ka Pamilya, or you have to be aligned with the government for the C-130 to get landing rights because congested yung airport.
Maraming eroplano ngayon doon. So we will have to clear that this is our flight itinerary, and we will have to get permission from CAAP, Captain John Andrews. I hope he's watching. So I'll call him.
Yes, let's friend him also. Wait, sandali, Gary. Sorry, binigyan kita ng additional work. Para naman kasi we can see already, tinan niyo yung pagod sa mukha na ni Ma'am Tina. Hindi naman to biro talaga. Her favorite song is the Honesto theme. Yung pananagutan. That's really her favorite song. Can you sing a little for her, please? Sorry, na pinressure kita, na impromptu to. Pero that's her favorite. So just to give her a little strength
A little
now.
boost.
Yung,
Kanyang energy.
Yung walang sino man ang nabubuhay.
Correct.
That's her favorite. And it echoes what we're doing now. We're all responsible for each other.
Kung ayaw mo, Tugari, ako na lang. Sige, ikaw na lang, Tugars.
Wow, okay.
There, pinaplay na.
Ina, this one's for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Ay,
Walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Walang sino man ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Tayong lahat ay may pananagutan sa isa. Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos na kapiling niya.
Tama, right, Ma'am Tina? We were brought together by God for this. Right, Gary? And we do have a responsibility to help each other now. And I want to thank the people who are making it easier for us to be able to help.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi ang laking tulong nila. Thank you.
Friends na talaga kayo.
Ano? Oo.
Friends na kayo.
Marami na akong na-friend talaga, Ma'am Tina. At kinakapalan ko talaga mukha ko talaga. Dahil sabi ko, hindi naman ito galing sa coffers ng sagip, hindi ito nang galing sa gobyerno. Pera ko po ito, so bigay mo naman na sa okay na presyo.
Galing sa kanila yun eh. Yung tulong
Yes.
nang gagaling sa kanila. At sabi ko nga, tayo ay
conduit, bridge. Tayo yung tulay para
Tulay.
maipaabot yan dahil galing naman po ito sa inyo eh dahil nagtitiwala kayo
And I
sa
think
amin.
your effort is a good example kung paano natin maipapakita na talaga yung lahat ng tulong ng nakararami ay ngayon ay iabot natin ng tulong at makikita nila kasama natin pwede natin isama siguro some of your donors who might want to take that flight with us. Baka sila po ay mismo gusto nilang makita kung anong nangyayari at paano natin natutulungan yung nakararami.
Maybe Ma'am Tina tayo muna.
Tayo
And then let's be responsible for them after.
Okay,
Di ba Ma'am
okay,
Tina? Kasi parang
okay.
tayo na lang.
Tayo na lang
Dahil
muna.
sanay tayo dyan. Let's do this
Flight, yung mga
first.
CEO, isama natin.
Oo, doon natin sila.
Another
Natin
flight,
lahat.
CEO.
Yes, marami
Oo.
pang Ma'am Tina, gusto ko lang tanungin sa iyo kasi ang last night napanood ko na the trucks are all arriving now. Kasi parang I think people are seeing all these goods and it's not like we can teleport this or beam this there. Kailangan sa iyo namin maintindihan ano nga ba talaga yung proseso ng pag-iimpake nito at saan ba dumadaan. At
Opo.
hindi naman, kasi yung iba, I know you mean well na, Chris, ba't di nyo ilipad, ba't di nyo i-helicopter? Hindi ho ganun kasimple dahil wala ngang paglalandingan. Ma'am Tina, explain.
Opo, itong nakikita nyong overflow na dyan sa kalye, no? Ito ay hinahanda because meron ng mga trucks na pipick up ng mga goods na yan. Pero sa dami ho ng pasok, ayaw naman nila talagang tigilan yung kanilang pamimigay. Nakiusap ako kagabi at ngayong umaga na kung maaari lang, bigyan nila tayo ng panahon para isakay na because nandyan yung mga truck eh. And
Yun,
we
I see the truck there. Meron na mga truck sa likod. Praise
Oo.
God. And then,
merong dalawang truck pinahiram ang Suzuki.
They're not my
Wing
friends.
wing van. Merong isang, you know that kaninang umaga pala, nakapaglabas tayo ng in 12 trucks, mainly overland, and maybe 2 on a flight, 150 tons of goods. So, nandyan na yan. Pero nga, ang nangyayari kasi, Gary and Lucky and Sweet and Chris, kinakalibrate mo rin ang release eh. traffic na 4 kilometers na ang traffic dun sa dinadaanan natin na magrororo tayo sa Matnog, Sorsogon, tatawid ka, papunta ka ng Allen. So, ikakalibrate mo yan kasi magbi-build up yan, mas lalong hihirap, ano? So, siguro naman, nire-release nila yung traffic doon, dilalagyan nila ng mga pulis at saka mga sundalo para mapabilis ang ano. Pero bukas na yan at marami pa ngayong mga eroplano. At chopper, may nuclear, may aircraft carrier. George Washington is now here. It's an aircraft carrier at ito ay malaking tulong, ano. Hindi na tayo dapat mahiya na tayo ay tumatanggap ng tulong at
No,
sincere.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
for every bit of
much.
help.
Yeah. So yun ang makaka-airlift kasi ang problema rin hindi mo madaanan yung kalye, maraming mga sagabal. So yun ngayon mas mapapabilis and you're gonna feel it within the next 2 days. So I was just appealing here, wag muna kayong dumaan, reroute kayo and then just allow us to be
To get
able to
it
load,
out.
to get
Yes.
it out, no?
Ma'am Tina, kasi yung kanina nung nagko-commercial tayong sinabi mo, Chris, sagot mo yung mga truck natin when we get there. Sagot mo
Yes.
yung manpower. Actually, last night, kausap ko po, yung kaibigan ko po from San Miguel, and yung beer distribution kasi nila has the big trucks.
Yes.
And they are there, and he's lending it to us all on
Oh,
Sunday.
thank you.
So at least we have the trucks.
Okay.
We have the trucks, we'll have the goods, sagot mo yung tao, and the coordination.
Opo.
Oh, tulong tayo, tag
Inutusan
team
ako.
tayo dyan, ah.
Inutusan
Sag-
ako.
Oo.
Alam mo yung mga truck ng San Miguel, pag nagrororo ako, punong-puno ng beer yun, tumatawid, sinasakay sa roro
Yes.
sa ilalim. Sabi ko, noon lang ako nakakita ng roro eh.
Yes.
Kasya pala, ang dami-daming truck.
So now those trucks na ang daming laman nun, empty yan, pinapahiram sa atin.
Okay.
Because and it just took one call. Thank you, boss. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for those, he just said, Chris, pa-assure naman nung security nila, opo, nung mga truck.
Opo.
Yes. Assure natin yun, na at isusoli natin na okay
Ako
pa yung truck.
kinakausap mo?
Ako na lang po. Sige.
Okay.
Ako po ang gagawa ng paraan doon, Ma'am Tina. Basta
Opo,
tayo,
opo.
tulungan tayong dalawa dito.
Okay.
Na you and me are in this.
Kayo na ang superhero ng bayan.
Super
Hindi,
twins
hindi.
na tayo
Wonder
ngayon.
Twins.
Oo.
Activate.
And I will release you now because
I have a
Ted
task.
Filon,
I have a
yes.
task. Secret task,
Oo,
okay?
si Ted. Ted, binabalik ko siya sa'yo. I'm
Okay.
sharing. You share also, Ma'am Tina.
Okay.
Darling.
At sana
Sinabi niya,
ibalik din-
darling, pabalik mo.
Sana
Darling,
ibalik din
binabalik
ang-
ko siya.
Sana ibalik din po ang iPhone ninyong na misplace
Alam mo,
ninyo.
ay okay.
I'm sure
Let's
na
not talk
misplace
about
lang
it.
po yan.
Somebody is using it for his own needs
Basta Ma'am
siguro.
Tina, magtawagan tayo the whole of this tomorrow and Saturday. Coordinate
Opo,
tayong
opo.
dalawa.
I will give you feedback.
Yes, and we're
Okay.
gonna do this. And we're
Yes.
gonna be able to do good.
Yes.
Thank you from
Okay.
all of us. I think we should all express
Bye-bye.
our
Thank you,
gratitude.
thank you. Bye-bye, bye-bye na.
God bless you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take
Bye-bye.
care,
Bye-bye.
Stay healthy.
Have a great day, Miss Tina.
Inom kang vitamins,
Correct.
ah.
Ako po muna ang papalit sa inyo.
Why?
Wala nga lang akong bangs.
Wife, pinaalalahanan siya mag-vitamins. Tawagan tayo, yun. You know, talaga, kulitan kami the whole day. Kasi, diba, I don't wanna accept donation and be questioned about it later. So, I really just tell her, Ma'am, I'll accept it, pero
I'll pass it on.
documentation and let's find a way. That's why yesterday, Luis, talaga, nangingiyak-ngiyak ako finding a plane talaga. Siguro may crying on the phone worked with the airline company.
Well,
Kaya
Chris,
nakahanap.
May I also say something because I know that nababasa natin sa mga social media networks no na mga iba nagsasabi na hindi pa kami
Wala pang dumarating.
Wala pang dumarating. Mga kapamilya, what you're seeing here right now and the efforts of Chris and everybody of ABS-CBN and pati na rin yung mga other organizations building up for things like this. Ang ginagawa nila is we are making sure that every person out there that needs something will get it. Now, as to when that's going to happen,
It
it's
is
going to
happening.
It's going to happen. It's already happening. It's on its way.
And yet, thanks, Gary, for saying that because it gives so much assurance. At least, if they're not able to watch us, their relatives are able
Correct.
to watch us.
That's
and
it.
it gives the relatives hope.
Yes.
And yung also kasi, on the private side, we're doing this. On the government side, it's 140,000 relief packs a day that is being distributed. So parang everybody is helping each other.
I like that word everybody because like what Luis said a while ago no na hindi naman sa nakakalungkot pero Sana when it's a better situation, we can all get together. Pero para sa lahat ng mga hanggang ngayon naghihintay or parang nawawalan na ng pag-asa, don't lose hope. Do not lose hope. Okay? The entire world, not just the Philippines, the entire world has come together for people just like you. And this show, Chris TV is making its effort, doing its part in encouraging people like you watching right now. Kung kayo ay nag-iisip na, well, wala naman ako magagawa dahil hindi naman ako makakapunta doon. Yes, but you can come here. Or you can go to other places that are collecting and collecting relief goods at this very moment in time.
Ang gaganda ng volunteer natin dito sa likod. Ito mga mestizahin na mukhang mga model. Mga nasa likod ko, ang gaganda.
Global talaga ang tulungan dito sa kapamilya dito sa PBB House.
Who are you girls? Hi, the pretty girls. Hello.
Oh, Luis, kausapin mo. Kamaya.
Ha?
From where?
Hi, ladies.
Our foreigner friends. Isang buong pamilya yata.
Where are you from? Si Luis na talaga lumapit sa kanila. Hi. Audrey.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Audrey. I know her.
Si Audrey.
Yes, Audrey. Hi, Audrey. Are they your
Tama pala
cousins,
ako.
relatives, ano?
This is Nicole Schultz Lopez.
Ah, okay.
Ana Palabiab Rufino.
Ang gaganda nyo. At nandito kayo. Good job.
Mga anak ng
Mabuhay
Lord of the
kayo.
Rings.
Ang gaganda. Luis, ang ganda ng isa. Hi.
That's Georgia Schultz.
Hi, pretty girl. So nice.
Bongga,
Yung
ha?
Yes, and sorry I'm sure she's trying to be low profile. You're the daughter-in-law, right? Of Boss Gabby? Ito, right? Sorry. I know ayaw mo magpabanggit, but kasi di ba parang minsan dapat naman malaman ng tao yan, yung mga lahat, tulong-tulong.
Tumutulong kahit kamag-anak ng mga Lord of the Rings.
Anak ng boss natin nag-i-impake talaga. At talagang nagbibilang. Yay, thank God.
Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ganda yung global money transfer brand na Express Money is extending its efforts to help in the disaster. In addition to its initial donation, Express Money is waiving remittance services fees sa ABS-CBN Foundation. So sa lahat po ng mga kapamilya natin sa ibang bansa.
May fee nga pala yun.
Correct.
Donation,
Also, the total amount of pledges from Express Money employee donations worldwide will be matched by the company endorsed syempre sa ABS-CBN Sagip Kapamilya.
Ima-match nila. Kung bongga yan. Go for it.
Bongga.
Okay, when we come back, si Mitoy ang magpapakitang gila sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV. Sweet, salamat sa buong linggo nating pagsasama.
Tama! Anytime, basta ikaw.
Gary.
Salamat din pala sa Chris TV sa pagkakataon na magbigay ng impormasyon at tumulong sa ating mga kababayan.
Gary, ulitin natin the shows that are happening.
Okay, on November 18, Tuesdays with Gary V, that's a Monday. So it's one
Biglang
Monday
kayo
with
mahilo
Gary
dun.
V. At the Teatrino, that is a fundraiser for the Typhoon Yolanda victims. Teatrino at 8 o'clock. November 21, Valenzuela Astrodome. December 7, Coral Springs Center for the Arts in Miami, Florida. And
There was
please,
something else there?
Yes.
Go.
Tonight at 19 East at 9 p.m., it's the first anniversary of Jeepney TV, and they will be selling shirts like these to raise funds for our kababayans and kapamilyas.
Minute to win it, yes?
Yes, Chris, thank you very much.
Thanks for being...
Continue doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job.
Thanks.
Continue being a blessing to so many people.
Thanks, Luis. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uy, November 27 pala. Yan, call center girl ng kumarin po ako. Naku, panoodin niyo po yan. Ngumiki naman po tayo. Yan pong maagang pawaskong handog ng Star Cinema at Skylight
The
Films.
concert tomorrow in Araneta Coliseum. Don't forget, gates open 6 p.m. Concert proper is at 8 p.m. And on Sunday, I assure you that at least 10 tons of these goods we will be able to personally hand over together with Ma'am Tina Angel. We will be going personally, and pasensya na, pinagbawalan po ako from saying where, but asahan ninyo na by Sunday night, alam ninyo kung sino yung mga tumanggap at nakita nyo na itong lahat ng ito pumupunta talaga sa pinaka nangangailangan.
Uulitin ko lang po, this whole week, this was unexpected. Nagdalawang oras tayo, pero kumapit po kayo at hindi nyo kami binitiwan dito sa Chris TV. Ang lahat ng effort na to from our staff and everybody na bubuo ng ABS-CBN is our way talaga of giving back in the service of the Filipino. God bless the Philippines. Huwag tayo mawawala ng pag-asa. Alam nating lahat na babangon tayo. God bless you all. Until Monday, see you po sa Chris TV.